What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cakes. We are back for another video. I am running late. Actually, I might get there right on time, but we'll see. But I wanted to get here like 5-10 minutes before, but it didn't work out. Nike Westlake, we're headed there right now. I'm like, getting off the freeway right now, but yeah, I wanted to get there right at 10 o'clock because this place has been getting a ton of random restocks, like just random stuff. So yeah, let's go see what's up. All right, it is exactly 10 o'clock a.m. Only 2 people waiting. All right, let's go see what they got. Just opened up. Resellers over there running over there. Still did got 20% off. All right. Oh, we got more and more resellers now. Okay. Some people are like, how do you know they're resellers? They fit the description. You could tell. The way they move too. Look, they're just scouring. Not looking for any specific sizes. Putting stuff down. Is that stuff that they've claimed right here? Or is that, oh, they just don't have room for them. Okay, all right, let's look around. We got some ones right here. Okay, these are huge sizes of 12, 10. Oh, those are ones that he claimed. Okay, I wouldn't just leave stuff on the ground because I wouldn't care. I would just grab them. But all right. Yeah, fools are checking StockX and stuff. See, I know how resellers look. Shit. So that fool grabbed some Jordan 1s. I didn't see anything that really stood out. Remember, you get 20% off here, and then you get 20% off for the members as well. All right, let's look. Starting off with the size 9. Do got the Zion 2s right here. Okay, these are pretty dope, dude. If I could find that Voodoo one, I would so grab these. $120. Do get the extra discounts. Jordan 1. Jordan Series 0.3s going for $70, size 9. These Deltas going for $120. Presto size 10 going for $120. Bo Jackson size 9.5 going for $115. Nyjah Freeze going for $85 right here. It's a ACG Mach 3.5. This is a 9.5 going for $80. Jordan 35 Lows size 12, $155 for these. That's actually really good with the 2 discounts. Get down to like 125, 127-ish. Blazers, the acronym Blazers going for $140. That's size 10.5. The Air Max 90, $130 for these, size 10. Vaporfly Next Percent 240, size 10. LeBron's right here, $170. The thing I love about this spot is you do get the full box. $135 for these right here. Air Max Genomes going for $175. I feel like we've seen these cheap at the retail shops. Hello Kitty Presto size 13 go for $130. Remember, the extra discounts make a huge deal. More LeBrons, $130 for these, $70 for these. Blazer size 12.5, $85. Be True colorway of the Blazer Lows go for $90, size 12. Big sizes, man, that's all they got. I don't know what the hell those are. $155 for those Delta 3s, I guess. And they got center courts, that's it, size 14 and bigger. I did forget these are here, the Legacy 312s, $140. I need to check apparel real quick, I need to check apparel. Checking out the apparel, remember 20% off, and then the members, you get that extra 20. So pretty good deals. $90 for these. Remember, I saw these hella cheap at Locker Room by Lid, so if y'all wanted these, y'all missed out. You guys didn't watch those videos. That's a small though. Nike t-shirt with embroidered Nike logo on it. This is actually super nice. $30. This is a small. Zion embroidered shirt right here. This is a small as well. $11.97. This is not originally $20 because none of the Nike shirts go for $20. Ooh, Jordan dunking on someone. $18 for these. That's a small. Hawaii shirts right here. Go for $40. These are mediums. They got who's this? Brown shirt or brown jersey. Go for $95. This is kind of cool. This is the year Nike started. This is XL. I don't see a price tag though. Don't see a price tag. Okay. All right, check out the shorts. Do I see anything dope? Got 20% off with that extra 20, man. I'm telling you. These are $30. It's a large, kind of skinny though. Oh, I was like, oh, these are no, they're just Jordan shorts. I thought they were like the fleece ones that I had that are fire. $35 for this dry fit. What's those? XXL though. Okay. Jordan shorts $45. These are short though. Decent amount of shorts. Remember, 20% off. Do got socks for 20 off. $8, and then you get 20 and 20 on top of that. These are normally $14 a piece. That's what's up. Maybe I might get some socks. Selection's kind of low though. Do got the Hello Kitty pants. It's a medium. Man, if you guys are into this, that's nuts. $80, and then you get that 20 and 20. So it'd probably be what, $43, $42, something like that. That's insane because those are normally $1.10. Got these right here. Ooh, these are nice. They're a little baggy though for sweats. But yeah, these are normally 80 down to 50 with extra discounts. Regular Nike sweats go for 25, normally 65. That's a small though. It's dope. Nice material. Got some Michigan colorway. Oh, this matches the yellow hoodies. This is a double XL. Let's see, $70 for this. Normally 90. The snowboarding pants right here. Or snow pants. Jordan brand. Wow, $175 down to $50. Extra discount, what, 20 something? So I'm telling you, buying stuff off season, you can find some crazy deals. I already have snow pants though. Oh, this is pretty dope. This XL. Oh, this ain't even my size anyways. Yeah, $40 for this. All right, I kind of want to check out hoodies, but I kind of don't because I've already stocked up on hoodies like crazy lately. But I'm going to be a good YouTube host and show you guys because it's not all about me. $55 for these. No, normally $100. Wow. This is like tech fleece type of stuff right here. $70, normally $1.10. Oh, this is tech fleece right here. I love this stuff. $100 for this one. Normally $160. So this is under it. This would probably be like $63 or something. Wow, this is super nice. I bought my tech fleece here too. I don't have the dough like that. Oh, a LeBron jacket going for $100, normally $160. These are all mediums. Penny hoodies, $60, normally $85. Tech fleece hoodie sweatshirt. I'm sorry, $100. Ooh, the extra fluffy. Damn, extra fluffy hoodie here go for $85, normally $95. LeBron jackets, these have been down to $100, $155, normally $250. In the large now, got one of these for $60 again. These down to $45, normally $80. Got this I don't know, fleece hoodie, $70, normally $100. XL, got this penny one right here. All black jacket, fleece jacket, $42. Double XL, $70, normally $110. This is like the softest sweatshirt here, and then double XL of the fleece. Double XL of the tech fleece jacket right here, $100, dude. Normally $160. All right, let's check out the aisles, see what they got. To be able to get this for 20% off, that's kind of insane. Got the point lanes right here. Got this travesty of Jordan. These are, what the hell are they called? The Jordan Access. Some mids, more access that none of my viewers want. If you want them, that's cool, but I just don't see people running after these. Zions. Oh, this is actually a really good colorway. Do they have my size? 10.5, they do. Yeah, I need to check the price to see how much that would go down to. I do want one of the Zion 1s. I also want one of the Zion 2s. And then I do got the Witness right here. And then sometimes they have stuff on the wall that's not in the aisles. Do got some 6s right here. Got these bad boys. Saw those. Heritage, got these. To be able to get these 20% off full box, that's just amazing. Apparently the sale goes on till the 7th, I think so a full week. Apparently a lot of the Nike outlets are fully stocked, so dang, all kinds of J's, man, all for 20% off. That's insane. Do got Air Force One. These are both what, mids? Dang, the quality on this one seems insane. Price is insane too, I guess. Got another one here on the back side right here. Pegasus right here. These are the 37s. Got quite a few. Dang, this one, look at this. Wow. Got the PBR one right here. The Blue Ribbon Sports. I was hoping they'd have some of the Alpha Flies or something. No, but they do got these. Invincible One Flying It's pretty good price. Let's check out the women's section now. See what's going on here. Prior videos I did show the Everyday Plus socks. See? These are the everyday socks, kind of like the budget ones. These don't use dry fit, just regular cotton and stuff. So yeah, there are different tiers of socks out there. These go for $20. I think the Everyday Plus go for $22, so not huge price difference. If you like dry fit, go for the Plus. If you like not dry fit, go for these. Alright, do got some highs right here, first one highs. 270s. Some dunks right here. Are these the Safari ones? Air Max 90s right here. Really good price, especially with the 2020. Did see these last week. Man, 130. This is an 8.5 right here. This is, I really like the materials used, the fat laces too. Man, those are dope. So that's 9.5. Those just Air Max Dons go for 110. Just not much heat in the women's. See some running shoes and stuff, but nothing crazy. Infinity Roughline is 120, size 7. Pegasus 110, size 7. Air Max 90s, some weird looking Air Max 90s, 125, size 7. All right, back in the aisle, 65 for these. Whoa, that's the cheapest we've seen these by far. Air Force One Shadows. Fontanka's even getting cheaper. Holy crap. The Shadows right here. Oh, we're definitely back to pre-pandemic sneaker or Nike outlet situations. Wow. Dang, all the men's sizing gone. Everything above 7's gone. Dang it. Dang, this is really good price on the Vapor Max. Up to size 10.5 women's. Air Max 90s. I really wanted the bread colorway, but well, I might just grab these. I really wanted the bread one. I saw the bread one for 55 plus 20% off, but they didn't have my size. They only had 9.5. I think I'm gonna grab this. I have a birthday coupon, and today's the last day. I think that would bring that down. I think I could stack all those. I don't know. Let me ask. So I showed you guys the everyday socks over there. They have the Everyday Plus right here, and you can see the dry fit stuff on top. These are going for $15. The original price is $22, so just a $2 difference. So the white one's not on sale though. Huh. I do need more socks. I don't know. I feel like we've seen these for like $10, $12. I don't know, maybe I could grab a couple. I'll grab a couple, 15 bucks. Do you get the extra 20% off, and then birthday coupon, another 10% off. I'll just grab a couple for now, and then when they go on sale, I'll grab some more. Okay. Socks breakdown, everyday socks plus. Wait, so look, everyday socks right here. It says with dry fit technology. So is that a scam? It's like ribbed in the middle right there. These are the same. Is that a scam? Maybe I'm wrong. Dry fit and dry fit. It's everyday plus and then everyday. Is that the same sock or what? Obviously these are the no-shows versus the crew socks, but is that a scam, you guys? I don't know. Let me know. Wait, since we're on the topic of socks, they do have the Everyday Max. So this is like the highest version. Material is like significantly different. It seems like it's more elastic. Yeah, this is the top of the line one. These are going for $13. $13 for these, okay. The sizing is smaller too, look, 6 to 8. Oh, they don't have my size though. So I need the 8 to 12. Don't got them. Dope. Bastards. Damn, we're pretty much getting back to before the pandemic stuff, dude. So I got 2 things of socks. Got the Zions, $73. $73 for the Zions and 2 packages of socks. Damn, came up. All right, guys, that place was freaking dope, you guys. I am such a fan of that spot. Kind of a mixture of an outlet as well as a retail shop. You get them outlet discounts, but the quality of items tend to be similar to a retail shop. So when they have 20% off entire purchase, that's one of the stores you have to hit up. Super fire. Had all kinds of discounts, man. And you saw them resellers there early as hell in the morning. You saw them resellers there. By the time I walked in, they were all running around. Like, I've heard some people say, hey, how do you know they were resellers? Like, dude, like, I know how resellers move. I've been doing this for a while. But yeah, like they were in, they were trying to get all the retros, trying to get everything, because 20% off. And remember, that place, you do get 20% off with full box and stuff on the clearance section. So pretty solid deals. I did grab these bad boys. Those of you guys that do watch all of my videos, I've been eyeing these for a little bit. The Zion 1s. I wanted this because this is his first signature sneaker, and I really should you know, my collection's getting up there where I should have at least one of every signature, or like the first one. But yeah, these are pretty dope. I can't wait to get the Zion 2s. I think the Zion 2s look so much better than these. The Voodoo colorway, I kind of mad at myself for not grabbing those at the very beginning. They were a little high. I think they were like 150, I think. So I thought they were a little pricey, but I definitely should have grabbed those, because that's a dope colorway. If you guys see a 10.5, let me know. Maybe I might jump on it, because pretty dope. Did get some socks. These socks are normally 22. They were down to 15. Then after all the tax, after all the savings, because I got a couple of things, and then I think I'm out to what, $10.79. So 50% off. Super dope. You know, I talked about these. It seems like the Everyday Plus and the Everyday socks very similar, both dry fit. I think when you get up to the Everyday Max, I think there is a difference. It's a little more elastic and stuff like that, more quality materials, but I don't know. What the hell do I know about socks? But yeah, but thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm definitely gonna have to go back. The sale runs through the 7th, so you guys have till this weekend. So hope you guys come up. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Help a boy out, press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button, do all that good stuff. And got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.